Welcome to Rhymes for Kids Fun. Now get ready for fun and rhymes.
Seasons come around, hear them sing. Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, spring. Seasons come and make us sing. Now comes summer, warm and bright. Summer is sunny, hot and bright. Fun times outdoors from morning to night. Mangoes and ice cream, pure delight. Next is monsoon with clouds and rain. Monsoon brings rain, drip drop sound. Pitter patter rains fall all around. Splashing puddles all around. Then comes autumn, cool and fair. Autumn winds make leaves fall down. Trees wear golden, red and brown. Red and yellow paint the town. Now comes winter, chilly and sweet. Winter is cold, we wear warm hat. Cozy blanket, think of that. Sipping hot cocoa, imagine that. At last comes spring with joy and cheer. Spring is happy, flowers bloom. Bees and butterflies dance in the plume. Colors and songs fill every room. Bees and butterflies dance in the plume.
Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.